and I'm a researcher working on fuel cells. We are in a chem lab in our fuel cell facility where we do research on new materials that go into our fuel cells. What we have in test actually is one of these liquids. It actually has a platinum catalyst in it, and this is the catalyst that is used in fuel cells. And so this is what is actually being tested in the setup back here. This here is testing that catalyst. It's actually inserted into this acid bath, and then on the computer you can see that we're testing the results that come out of it. And based on the results, we're going to make a decision about whether or not this catalyst is actually a good catalyst for our fuel cells. The key issue with fuel cells is to get into the hands of the customer so that we can go to the dealership and buy it to reduce the cost. The biggest cost element in this fuel cell is the platinum catalyst, what we're testing here. So in this next generation of fuel cells, I've personally worked on reducing this platinum catalyst by half. These new materials that I showed you in the beaker, this is where they come next. Before we build a cell, these are the different pieces of it. There's a membrane electrode assembly, and I'm going to get technical on you. This is where we put new materials, and this is where the magic is. So this is what we want to test. We put these together, we build a cell, and then we connect it to a test stand, and then once they get tested here, they get passed here so that it meets all the criteria for our next generation fuel cells. Then they go on to larger stacks that can go into an engine, which can go in a vehicle. There are not many places in the world that work on fuel cells that can do what we do here. There are four places in the world that can do this. We are one of them, and by any means I think we are definitely have a leadership position in this technology, because we can take something and then bring it together so that you and I can drive it.